What's up, guys? So we're always trying to innovate and find the best thing for our customers. And today we have some of these ceramic trim coat wipes. They're basically a ceramic coating and they come in these, this is the first time I'm opening it actually. They come in these little wipes. Well, they're not little actually. These are actually pretty big. I hate to waste one on this video, but anyways, so we got these ceramic wipes and we're gonna try them on some badges, see how they react. We're gonna let them dry overnight and then maybe torture test them tomorrow. But these are super cool. They just tear apart. Definitely wear gloves. I already got gloves on. I think for this whole pack, I gotta double check, but it wasn't that bad. And if you have Jeeps or any other plastic, this is perfect for that, to take that gray away, from what I understand. Haven't tested it, but today the main focus is on some badges. So we have these two badges. These are just kind of extras. I think they were rejects for some reason. So we're gonna try them on these, let them dry overnight, and then torture test them tomorrow. Add UV protectant, make them where they don't scratch up and scuff up, and easier to clean. So let's get into it. Let's try these ceramic wipes. And like I said, we'll test it and come back tomorrow and see what the results are. So first thing we're gonna do is, I just got some alcohol. It says not to use anything with any waxes or anything like that. So we're gonna use alcohol to clean these up real quick. And like I said, these are just demo badges, so I'm not super worried about messing anything up. The other thing that might be kind of cool is if this adds a super nice shine to it, like an even better clear coat than you get from the normal badges, or if it'll like take out these little micro scratches from rags, that'd be super cool. I'm gonna let these dry for a quick second. It's alcohol, so it shouldn't take long. It is a trim coat by Cerakote. So let's pop this open and see where we're at. Oh God, I'm gonna tell you, it has a scent for sure. Major scent. Holy shit, don't sniff them. So, pretty big wipe. And all we're gonna do, take the badge. I didn't read any instructions. I'm just full sending it. Make sure we got every inch of it. Looks like we did. All right. Very interesting. Let's try this one. Jeez, it is strong, boy. All right. Just trying to make sure it's even. I don't know if you can tell. It definitely added a nice like shine. So basically, this is just a wipe-on clear coat, but it's a ceramic coat. So it should allow for UV protecting and scratch resistance and basically add all the benefits of ceramic coat. And it looks like it's super glossy. There might be a little bit of orange peel, but they look pretty good, honestly. Real quick, I grabbed another badge. This one has some scuffing all along the top because it's mirror. So we're gonna set this down real quick. Wipe this off right quick. And I'm just curious if this takes the clear, or if it fixes the scuffs and stuff. There is, after cleaning it, there is still scuffs. See? All right. Let's see. Just gonna get it down in there. I'm being very rough. I want to see if it levels it out and actually like doesn't leave white marks. So I'm being kind of generous here, just to see how she comes out. So far, it did kind of take the scuffs out. So let's let these dry. Once again, haven't read any instructions, just full sending it, you know? That's how we do it around here. You can see I was pretty generous with that one and went a little crazy. We're gonna see if that levels out or if those white marks are still there. But this one actually looks pretty good. You can see like a little bit of, I guess, orange pill, but it looks pretty good. This is still drying. This actually looks pretty damn good on camera. What do you think the result of the ceramic coat's gonna be on the badges? Do you think it's gonna help? Do you think it's gonna eat away at the print? Which it shouldn't. But comment below what you think we're gonna do and give me some ideas for torture testing these three tomorrow. We'll see you next time.